Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, March 4th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, we kicked off March with a bang, and not in a good way. The stock market tumbled yesterday, with major indexes posting steep losses as investors braced for a fresh round of tariffs. Let's start with the numbers. The Standard & Poor's 500 fell 1.7%, marking its worst day of the year. The tech-heavy Nasdaq took an even bigger hit, sliding 2.6%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped nearly 650 points, down about 1.5%. Tech stocks led the sell-off, with Nvidia plunging over 8%, dragging down the so-called Magnificent Seven. Investors are on edge as Trump made it clear there's no more room for negotiations. The tariffs on Canada and Mexico, they're going into effect today, and that's fueling concerns that economic growth could slow even further, especially after a string of weaker-than-expected data. Now, shifting gears, this week will bring a key jobs report and some big retail earnings. Target and Costco are in focus as investors try to gauge how strong the American consumer really is. Let's not forget, consumer spending in January fell by the most in 4 years. That's not exactly a confidence booster. And finally, a little twist in the crypto world. Bitcoin and a handful of other digital assets rallied after Trump announced they would be included in a new U.S. strategic cryptocurrency reserve. Prices soared at first, but then pulled back slightly with Bitcoin settling around $86,000. So, will the market find its footing or is more turbulence ahead? Stay tuned. That's your Capital Markets Quickie. See you tomorrow.